Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. Today we'll be recreating this look right here. Recreating or, as an inspiration. So keep watching. First, I like to at least cleanse my face. Obviously wash your face first because we're not trying to be nasty. Next, I have True Match Perfect Match concealer that we're gonna put on our eyelids. I guess you don't need to put that much because it's a very light look. Next, I think, what do? So I set it this banana powder. Eyeshadow. I am going to go in on the lid first because when I do it from the outside to the lid, I find that doesn't blend very well. So I'm using this brush. I don't know if I'm supposed to use it, but it's gonna do the job. Actually, this one, because it looks like it's gonna do better. I'm gonna go with one of these or mix them both. I've seen people do that, so. Then I'm gonna use a fluffy brush and go in with this pinky purple and do that on the crease, just fill in my crease. Yeah. This time I'm going to go on my crease with a purple. Let's do with a purple because it's kind of like a purple look. Now I'm taking my Revolution palette. I'm gonna use the gold. This is like a corner. It's a tiny brush, okay? Just get a tiny brush. I'm gonna go back into my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and go over the purple bit just so it transitions better. Yeah. Okay, so I'm scared. If you mess up this, you mess up the whole look. I'm sorry. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna use this lip liner because I know what I'm doing. Don't judge me. Everyone who's watched me get ready knows that if my eyeliner is not equal, you better get out the room. Because it's not safe. I'm gonna bring up stuff you did in the past. But seriously, don't do it. See, I'm not a biased person, so I think this looks horrible. Okay, now it's time for the fun part. I like to use this caffeine solution because it wakes me up. I use this anti-dark circles roll-on just as a base. I use this baking oil. I never actually seen anybody use this, but it really hydrates your face. We need foundation. I'm using a True Match foundation in the color Rose Sand. I'm mixing it with All Night Long Full Coverage foundation. So now I'm gonna go again using Perfect Match concealer. I was expecting a call, but if you tell me you're gonna call me back and you don't, again, there's gonna be a problem. I hope this turns out looking good in the mirror, because like the big one, because I don't know. I'm using L'Oreal Glam Bronze Wild Instincts. This bit is not that hard. I'm putting like something in my waterline. Oh, so now I get the call. Hello. So I know Ari has like a pinky look, but I don't think I look that good with the pinky look. Like I said, this is like an inspired look, so I'm gonna just do what I got.
Yeah.
My hoop earrings, and we gotta have a ring. We ain't gonna be no misses. No. And I think she has like a similar jacket to this. I got this from 𝕤𝕚𝕚𝕘𝕖𝕥. So guys, that's the look for today. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. This was very complicated, but I'm glad I get to share it with you. So I'll see you in the next video, whenever that will be. Stay happy and stay rich, even if it's fake. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Get rich, get happy, don't get married.